Hello students, here is a preview of lesson 1.19.2, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English listening and reading comprehension via 3 of our conversation topics for English learners activities. So there are 3 parts. Part 1, watch the video, read the text below in English, then translate the text in your primary language and read it again. Part 2, the same thing. Watch the video closely, read the text in English, then translate the text into your primary language and read it. And then again, you click on the American flag to go back to English. In part 3, you watch the video, read the text in English, translate the text in your primary language, and read it in your primary language. Finally, let us know what you learned by writing a comment. Put your name, your email, and click Post Comment, and then I will respond to you. Thank you very much for doing your best. This is a very helpful lesson in building your listening comprehension especially, as well as your reading comprehension. Thank you.